What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since my last video, but I brought you something what I think is really special today. With the holiday season, it's a quick, simple, easy build that you can do as a gift for somebody else. What I've got for you is these. I'm going to show you how to make these cool secret wood pendants today. So stick around. secret wood pendant. There's a few different videos out there, some different techniques, but most of them are pretty much the same, where it's, you know, you're making the mold out of tape. You can do silicone too. I've seen that as well. I've just worked with what I had. Most of the stuff that you saw in the video, like I already had, or like the packing tape, I bought that at the dollar store for $1. And the super glue I just got from Home Depot. And it's all stuff that's relatively easy to get. Even the epoxy, like I get mine off of Amazon, and with Amazon Prime I get that within 2 days. So that's really accessible and easy to get. These are not items that are hard to get at all. The the fingernail polish that I got again at the dollar store, just something I wanted to try. I wanted to see if there was a difference between the butcher's block conditioner that I've used before, or the fingernail polish, if one created a better finish than the other. The fingernail polish I think would be more durable. I mean, the wax, the butcher block conditioner that I've used, it gives a really nice finish, really nice smooth finish. It has, you know, mineral spirits, mineral oil in there, beeswax in there, so it polishes up the epoxy really nice, because you need some kind of wax or some kind of polishing paste to be able to polish it up. But the fingernail polish actually wasn't bad, because it is like an enamel, so I was able to get into those cracks and all those places that I got scuffed up, filling that with that clear, its own clear resin, clear enamel. And once it dries, it's actually pretty nice. It even soaks into the teak wood really well that I used. But yeah, just a simple, easy video that you guys might like. It's close to the holidays, so if you guys are looking for ideas to gifts to make for your friends, family, you know, I think this is a really good idea. These pendants came out really nice, you know, and you know, the grooves I did is just a simple needle files. You know, you could use a bigger one, you could use a Dremel if you wanted to, and the glow powder. Oh man, oh my god, the glow powder came out so great on these. And like, I let them sit in the sun for like 10 minutes and they're already starting to glow. And they, you know, you saw in the video, they glow, like once you let them sit in like for like an hour or two, they just glow so well, so cool, and it worked out so well. I was really happy. The powder I used itself wasn't colored; it was like a neutral sky blue, so that's why I added in the opaque illuminite pigment into to, you know, give it, you know, obviously that blue color. But once, you know, again, it doesn't hinder the glow powder, because it is opaque. You know, it's semi-translucent, so the sunlight and UVs can get to it and shine through, and it gives it a really nice effect, because it's already blue as is. So this just makes it more blue and just really nice. So I really enjoyed that. I like the mixing of the colors with the blue, green, and the orange that I use. And you can just customize this and do it however way you want, any colors you want. There's many other different techniques that you could do with this. You could add, you know, embed wires into it, like metals, whatever else you want. So the limitation is really only up to your imagination. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below for more. Comment down below with what you thought about this project. If you've tried this before, if you tried something similar, let me know down below. And be sure to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and take care.